Today we are learning about national symbols, special things that represent a country. National monuments remind us of history and heroes.
The flag is a symbol of pride, freedom, and the country's history. The national anthem is a song that represents the spirit of the nation. The national bird is a special bird that represents beauty and freedom.
The national animal is unique to the country and shows strength and courage.
The national flower is chosen for its beauty and significance.
The national tree represents growth, life, and the environment. The national fruit is healthy and loved by people.
Currency is a symbol of a country's economy and culture.
Traditional dress shows the culture and traditions of the country.
The national sport is loved and played by many people. The national fish represents aquatic life and the country's waters. The national reptile is unique to the country and symbolizes resilience. The call of the national bird is a sound of nature and pride.
The national emblem is a special design representing the country's identity.
Musical instruments help play the national anthem beautifully. National heroes inspire people with bravery, kindness, and wisdom. Traditional dances show the culture and joy of a nation. Great job exploring national symbols. Flags, animals, flowers, and heroes make our country special.